Where'd he go? Me? Rar? Gone? What? That's gonna be a problem. Dumbest thing I've seen in my whole life.
Thank you for calling Monstar. This is Nigel. Can I get your scare star number, please?
Yeah, Nigel, this is Hank, and I'm with 3214.
3214. Okay. How can I help you?
Well, it's the darndest thing. I was in this kid's room, and I jump out and scare him, and I'll be darned if that little bugger didn't just disappear right in front of my eyes.
What do you mean? Like, he ran out of the room?
Yeah, he ran out of the room. No, I was scaring him, and he disappeared. Like, magically.
Okay. Hey, listen. Kids don't just vanish into thin air.
No doubt. Why do you think I'm calling you people?
Okay, well listen, Hank, can you get a scan of the room, please? If this is true, we need to document this as soon as possible.
I gotta go.
What's going on in here? Why is the floor wet? Did you eat another fish?
I love that movie.